Welcome to the Saudi Expatriates channel. Today, we have some exciting news about a new initiative that will make the Hajj season smoother and more efficient for both job seekers and employers. Let's dive into the details of the Ajeer Al-Hajj service introduced by the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development, MHRSD, in Saudi Arabia for the year 1445 In an effort to make it easier to hire seasonal workers for the Hajj season, a new program called Ajeer Al-Hajj has been introduced. This initiative, announced by Muhammad Al-Rizqi, a spokesman for the Ministry of Human Resources, aims to streamline processes, provide seasonal jobs, and support businesses by bringing in more workers. The purpose of this service is to raise the standard of services offered to pilgrims at holy sites, improving their overall experience. Additionally, it provides flexible work solutions for enterprises. If you are a Saudi citizen or resident expat interested in working during the holy month of Hajj, you can apply for seasonal jobs through the Ajeer portal. The platform acts as a go-between for job seekers and employers, streamlining processes and making life easier for everyone involved throughout the Hajj season. The ministry has called on Saudis and residents wishing to work in the holy sites during the Hajj season to upload their CVs through the Bab Ajeer platform. This platform brings together job seekers and vacancy holders in one space, as part of efforts to organize work and facilitate procedures for establishments and workers during the Hajj seasons. Under this program, companies are required by the ministry to provide seasonal workers with a Hajj permit. It's important to note that there will be legal consequences for those who fail to comply with this requirement. To apply and register, visit Ajeer Kiwasa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Also, visit SaudiExpatriates.com and follow us on social media for the latest news and information. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.